Hello guys. So today we're gonna be understanding how the understanding the web. Okay. So we wanna know how the web actually works. So the web is a giant interconnected network of computers that allow you to access information services on the internet. So let's look at key concepts that will get us to know how actually the web works. So let's look at websites. Well, firstly, we know that a website is a group of collection of related web pages. And what is a web page? A web page is a digital document that is written using a special language which is called HTML or hypertext markup language. And HTML is used to structure the content on a web page. So right now, let's take a key look at this. So let's assume this is a website, right? A website. And now this website contains a web pages. On the side, a web page is this. On the side, a web page. Once you click on this, you'll be able to view this. So the collection of all these pages, because each web page has a content like text, images, video, etc. So all the related web pages, that's what make up a website. Okay. Moving forward, we want to understand what is a web browser. A web browser is a program on your computer or device that allow us to view web pages. So it allows you to view web pages and access websites. These are programs on your laptops, computers, and so forth. So example of that is the Chrome. We got a Chrome browser, Google Chrome. We got other browsers like Safari, we got Firefox, and so forth. So these are programs on your devices that allow you to view the web pages and access website. So how can we access these websites? Okay. Now we move to web addresses. It's like a street address for a web page. And every web address or addresses have a uniform or a unique uniform resource locator, which is a URL. Every web page have that one we call link. So this image, within this image, is an example of a URL. All right. Now we'll move forward to web server. So what is a web server? A web server is a powerful computer that stores the website file and sends them back to our browser. So the web server there is to store all the files that have been written in HTML and send it back to the web browser for viewing. Like I said, the web browser helps us to view web pages and access websites. So all these files now will be interpreted using the web browser. Okay, since now we know we have understood all the concepts, let me try and explain. Okay, so let's start by you pasting a URL in a URL into your favorite web browser. Okay, once you place that into your favorite web browser to search what is going on right there, okay, that URL, which is a uniform resource locator, is now in the web browser. The web browser is interacting with the web server to send that file for viewing. So the process of doing that, we call that communication. They communicate with a set of rules called HTTP, the hypertext transfer protocol, that allow the file from the web server to come back to the web browser for viewing. So that's how it works. Once you paste a URL into your browser, these are a set of rules that is going on. for you to be able to see the web pages or websites. So that's how the web actually works. Thank you, and hope to see you in the next one.